and Barney Fife was born. And I love talking to the cast. They're always so warm and welcoming, especially Betty Lynn Thelmaloo. She always comes over and gives me a big hug. You can see how warm and friendly she is. Then I heard a voice. It was a voice I knew and I loved. It was the voice of Aunt Bee. Oh, I turned around and looked. She was smoking a cigarette. I couldn't believe it. I actually went up to her and I said, Aunt Bee, you're smoking. She went, that's right, kid. I'm still a hot chick.
One bullet for Barney's gun. Not another one like him ever was. He knew how to nip it in the bud.
How can you be so funny? I want to put that laugh in a jar.